In LandOne, we've added a copy and paste feature to allow you to take care of scenarios quickly like this, where you have a parking lot island that is exactly the same as the other ones. So since this has multiple materials in it, I'm going to use my multi-select tool to lasso and select this area. Now, on my keyboard, I'm going to hit Control C, and that item is copied. I'll move my mouse over to this next island, and I'll hit Control V to paste it. I can move it and center it over the island, and I can move to this one and hit Control V to paste it. You can do this with any item. Just select it, Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste.